Well, Richard, right now we are present at a research and referral hospital, which is here in Dholakwa area of National Capital. Right behind me, there is a band of Indian Armed Forces, which is all set to begin. We have seen them doing a band performance, and this has been done by them for the Corona warriors who are present here. You see, they are standing right here, and the Corona warriors are standing in queue, they have put up PPE kits, and this band performance was done by armed forces for the warriors who are standing here. And also you can see that there is an army truck which is parked here, and here you can see it's written here, thank you Corona warriors. And moreover, there are some gift items also which will be given to the Corona warriors, and it's written here, with best compliments from Indian Army. So very nice gesture is being extended by Indian Army to the Corona warriors, to the doctors who are standing here putting up PPE kits. We'll also try to speak to a doctor here, try to understand how challenging this job is. Ma'am, if I can speak to you, how challenging this job is, because right now you're standing here, I'm seeing you are standing here for the last 1 hour. How challenging this job has been?
That this time of era, this is actually very challenging for all the healthcare workers, including the doctors, nurses and the paramedics, and also the other people who are involved in all this. Definitely the times are changing for us also. There is a social cut down for all of us, and we all are inside the hospital working day in and out.
And then also, armed forces have come here to express their thanks and gratitude, give their gratitude to you. How are you feeling, ma'am?
This is very motivating, and this is a good initiative which was done by our CDS, and then everybody is excited and motivated to do much better work.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you from our side also. So that's the word which the doctors, have spoken to us, in which they have said that yes, it's indeed a motivating thing to them. And any moment from now, this band performance will begin here in National Capital, where they are going to thank to all the Corona warriors who are present here. And that's a very cute gesture, very thankful gesture which is being extended by the armed forces. That there are the personnel, there are the band members who are all set to begin their performance. We have seen them singing a song, Sare Jahan Se Acha Hindustan Hamara. So Hindustan Hamara, Sare Jahan Se Acha. So that's the song which they sung a couple of minutes back. And again, any moment from now, the performance will begin. They are getting ready. They are giving last touch, and any moment from now, this band performance will begin. And then there are COVID warriors also who are coming here. They will be, given gifts. See, that's the picture coming in. The COVID warriors are being, given gifts by the armed forces here, and they are extending their gratitude. They're extending their support, and a Thanksgiving gesture is here by the armed forces for the COVID warriors who are present here. We also showed you that's the gift packet, and it's written there with compliments from Indian Army. So that's the gift which will be given to all the COVID warriors who are present here. A band performance we also saw, and now as we are speaking, gifts are being exchanged between army personnel and COVID warriors. They are also clapping for their services which they are rendering without even thinking about their lives. Selfless service is being given by the doctors, healthcare workers to the people during this pandemic. And looking at that, the army personnel are now extending their support, their Thanksgiving gesture. Somewhere tells us as to how the army is now trying their best to support and also to motivate to all the COVID warriors who are giving their time, who have also extended their life to fight this pandemic. Richa.